Hello friends, welcome to Excel introduction video. In this video, we will learn what is Excel, what are the users of Excel, and we will also try to navigate through its structure. If you are a first time user of Excel, you will interact with the Excel interface for the first time. So this session is going to be very exciting for you guys. So let's begin this by understanding what is Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program basically which is used for the data calculation, data organization, data manipulation, data visualization, data analysis, creating reports and dashboards, right? So this is the most common definition which you will find everywhere. But friends, from my understanding, from my experience, what I have learned, while working in Excel, right? It is not only the application which is just used for these type of work. It has a lot more to do, right? Which are still unexplored, right? And that is all possible based on your requirement, based on your knowledge, based on your skill set, right? Based on your rational thinking. You heard it right, my friend. Your rational, logical thinking, right? How logical you think, about performing any task in Excel. That is very important. Excel is not just an application to use the calculation, to do the calculation, to do the division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition, right? It is the application which, gives you tools, method, techniques. By using those methods and techniques and tools and formulas and function, you can just mold its working according to your requirement, and it will work. Even in Excel, you can create your own formulas and function and modules. Do you know that? All will be working based on your instructions. The instruction which you will provide while creating that particular function, formula, methods, or module. All right, friend. You can do all these tasks in Excel. Just, all depends on your knowledge, your dedication, how passionate you are towards this particular application. So that's why we have created this program for you guys to make your foundation strong in Excel. So what will happen actually? So it will help you once your foundation becomes strong. No, it will help you learning the advanced version of Excel very easily, right? So there is a one more thing which I want to tell you, the automation, which I also, mentioned in my last video. That automation is the thing, which helps you to not to do any task manually. All will be done automatically by just clicking of a button, right? So there are many things which you can do in Excel, right? And this is just a snap of it. Excel is like an ocean. If you want to learn it, you need to take a deep dive into it, and we will help you out, right? We will guide you how to use all these method, techniques, and tools. For that, you need to stick with us, right, throughout the course. That is very important. And we will, understand each and every topic at a micro level, correct? Just stay with us, and I'm definitely sure that you will get something different from others, which you might not get anywhere. You will get here with us, correct? Okay, so let's begin this. I won't be taking much of your time, guys. So I hope I am not here to just make the sessions boring. So let's begin this with the next topic. So what are the users of Excel? So basically, Excel is also used for the data storage purpose. So what you can store your data. So let me just give an example. In earlier times, what used to happen, people used to keep their records in the files, paper files and the paper sheets. And to keep their records, they need to have the cabinet, they need to have a storage room, right? Right? And that was a that involves a cost, and that involves like time. If you want to search for a record, it used to take a huge time to find a record. So when the computer was invented and the Excel was invented, so people got amazed by knowing the feature of Excel, because it was like a digital file for them. So they started moving their manual file to the digital file, right, in Excel, correct? So Excel, in the Excel, data was easily available, right? And it was easily searchable. If you want to look for any record, you need to just press the control F, and you just find the record and you will get it. It was very easy. So Excel made their work very easy, no? So everyone, even it was government, general public, or some private companies, they all started, moving their data from the manual files to the digital file. So this is how Excel, became popular, and still very popular. So that why it is called a storage house, because you can store a large amount of data in it, right? Do you know that there are 17 billion cells in a single Excel spreadsheet? 17 billion, my friend, which is a huge number. If you insert 10 worksheets, it becomes 170 billion cells. So you can keep a large amount of data, in a single workbook. All depends how more you can store, correct? So there are no restrictions. All depends on you, your requirement, correct? So that's why it is called a storage house. So we are talking about data. What is data? So let me just make you understand this data thing. So data is basically, it's a when we put various elements, different elements put together and make a collection. So that collection becomes a data, right? The collection can be of numbers, dates, text. It could be of anything. So when we put together all these elements, that becomes the data, right, my friends? So we'll be using these type of keywords frequently in our session, during our session, correct? What is next? Reports. This is one of the very important feature of Excel, because if you are working a larger data set, a large amount of data set you are working, when where you have like 1 lakh rows or 10 lakh rows, so you cannot just present that data directly to your boss or manager. So you need to create a report. Now, what is the report that we need to understand? So report is a basically summary of your larger data set. It's a small summary, as you can see on the screen. So it's a summary of 10 lakh records, correct? So you can imagine the 10 lakh, it's a huge number, no? So it's just a summary of all those reports. So report is basically a summary of a database, is called as reports. So it is very easy to create reports in Excel, so that we will also teach you, while we will share our experience. We will not teach you actually. We will share our experience with you, how we create reports in Excel by clicking just a button, correct? We will also cover all these topics. Now, what is next? Data analysis. This is my one of the favorite topic. You know why? Because this makes you an engineer. Suppose if you have a good command over data analysis, no data analysis technique, so you become an engineer. You can consider yourself as an engineer, my friend. It is it, this this job profile is high in demand nowadays. Data analysis, data analyst, right? Why it is my favorite topic, top subject? Because data analysis gives you opportunity to see the inside of a larger data set. So that insight can be used for further decision making, and so that you can just take further decision to so that your business could grow, right? So data analysis is a very important thing which you need to learn. Basically, it's an advanced version of the Excel, right? When you finish the advanced version of the Excel, then you'll come to this point, at this point, data analyst part. So, but again, for that you need to make your foundation strong, which is very important, right, friends? What is next now? Data visualization. Basically, it's how nicely you can present your data, correct? So again, 10 lakh of data we have, 10 lakh rows of data we have. How nicely you can just present that data, so that it can directly be presented to your manager, to your boss, to your CEO of the company. So how to make the data nice looking, how to do the data visualization in Excel by using dashboards, reports, charts, graphs, etc., etc. We will tell you, we will teach you, right, guys? In this particular course only. Don't worry. You will get many things from our experience. You will learn many things from our experiences, right? So what we are doing, again, I am just repeating this, that we are sharing our experience with you guys. It is very important. We are not teaching you, we are sharing our experience, working experience. which we used to work with the while working with the corporate, the practical work, actual work, right, guys? What is next? Next, this is my one of not one of the, I would say this is my favorite topic, the automation. I always say that I love doing automation in Excel, specifically in Excel, right? What I do, I just, create forms, I create programs so that next time if you need to extract data from any folder or any file, it will, you just need to click the button, your data will automatically get extracted from the file, and the data will come into the new file. So what we'll do, we will we will automate the task, right? Even you can create some programs in Excel. I will tell you, I will show you a program which we create in Excel, no? So you can also do that. But the thing is, what is the most important thing which you need to uh, take care of? Make your foundation strong, keep your basics clear. That is very important, my friend. Correct? So this will also come, but not in the basic session. This is a part of the automation version of Excel. Basically, it will come after the advanced. Once you finish the advanced Excel training, so after the advanced Excel training, we will reach to the automation point, right? So, right in the next video, friends, we will navigate through the Excel window, Excel structure. We will see how does the Excel window look like, and we will tell you where the commands and other fields are located, right? See you in the next video.